Angel Kids TV. Hi friends! Welcome to Angel Kids TV. Today, we're going to have so much fun reading together. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with some easy sentences. I'll read first, then you can try reading with me. The cat is big. Say it with me. The cat is big. I see a dog. Now you try. I see a dog. We go to the park. Let's read it together. We go to the park. Now let's read a little story. Listen carefully, and then we'll read it together. Tom and the red ball. Tom has a red ball. He plays with the ball. The ball rolls away. Tom runs to get it. He is happy again. Let's read it again together. Tom and the red ball. Tom has a red ball. He plays with the ball. The ball rolls away. Tom runs to get it. He is happy again. Great job reading! Now let's play a word game. Can you say these words with me? Cat, hat, rat, mat. They all end with that. That's called a word family. Apple is red. Say it with me. The apple is red. The car is blue. Say it with me. The car is blue. The tree is green. Now you try. The tree is green. The cat is on the mat. I wear a red hat. He hit the ball with a bat. The lion is loud. Say it with me. The lion is loud roar. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. The monkey swings. The monkey swings. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more fun reading. Bye bye, friends. Keep reading every day.